So I'm here to help you to uncomplicate the whole process of starting an online business. So there are 3 things that you only have to focus on when you're building your online business. The first thing is to focus on the foundation. So with foundations, this is where you pick the product that you want to sell, who is going to be that ideal client for that product, and build your online store. And then the second part is to now market that business that you started, right? You have your website, you have your products, and you know who you're marketing to. So now start marketing, whether it's going to be using social media, creating your content, or they're going to be running ads. Run ads targeting those people that you want and bring traffic to your website that you've built in the first part and start making sales. And the third part is to scale. So now you have tested, you know what's working, what's bringing you more profit. Now you have to capitalize on that, optimize your store, double down on that marketing budget if you need to increase it, scale up all those ads that are doing well. And now you have a nice online business that's going to be bringing you more money, whether you're going to build it up to 6 figures, 7 figures, whatever. There's no limit when it comes to a business. You are the only one who limits yourself. So those are the 3 simple things that you have to focus on when you're starting online business. I hope that helps. Follow for more tips on how to build, market, your scale your online business.